Hi, I'm Adam with LeafShave.com, and if you're here, you might have heard about the Twig. The Twig is a beta product at Leaf Shave, and it currently ships free with every leaf razor. Very simply, the Twig is a low-profile, single-edge razor that we designed to be the perfect tool for detailed work, like crisp sideburns, necklines, and hard-to-reach places like under your nose. At Leaf, we questioned everything, and we thought, well, the trimmer blade on the back of your cartridge razor wears at a fraction of the rate of the primary blades, so why do you have to throw it out when you dull the cartridge blades? So that's why we came up with a completely separate trimmer. So, similar to the Leaf, it takes half double-edged blades. You snap them in half with the razor on, and that's what you load into the Twig. So, similar to the Leaf razor, you line up the notches on the double-edged blade here and here with the protrusions on the razor here. So hold the razor here and screw the handle, and that will raise the top of the razor and expose the place where you lay the blade. So just place it in, lining up the notches with the protrusion. There's a magnet in the razor that will help hold the blade in place, and when the blade is in the correct location, it will lay flat across the bottom of the razor. So to close, just hold in the same place and screw the razor in the opposite direction. That will lower the top and clamp the blade into place. And then you're ready to shave. So keep in mind though that this razor does not have a pivoting head like the Leaf, so you will have to manually adjust the angle of the razor to your face, very similar to a traditional safety razor. Happy shaving, thanks for watching, LeafShave.com.